Hello friends, welcome to Power BI tutorial. Today we will understand what is Power BI, what are the main components and building blocks of Power BI, how we can download and install Power BI for local machine. So as I mentioned here, Power BI is a very powerful data visualizations and business analytic tools provided by Microsoft. It helps us to provide interactive visualizations, dashboards and reports with self-service capabilities. Using this tool, you can connect with different data sources like Excel, Text, CSV, Oracle, and many more. Power BI support more than 100 types of data sources and more than 24 types of visualizations like pie chart, column charts, bar charts, matrix, tabular, row card, multi-row card, and many more. Mostly Power BI used by technical or data analyst professional, but non-technical users also can use this. Reason behind it is very easy to use. Within a few clicks, you can create attractive visualizations for your business requirement. Using this tool, you can get data from different data sources. After that, you can transform the data, you can analyze the data, and you can extract your output from Power BI report page, and you can publish your report to cloud, and after that, you can share your report with internal and external users. From Microsoft official site, you can directly download Power BI desktop version. As you see here, this is Microsoft official site. Using this URL, you can download Power BI desktop version. Under Microsoft Power BI desktop section, here is the URL. You just click advanced download option, and from here you can directly download Power BI desktop version. Remember one thing, desktop version is a free. You can create report, you can import data, you can transform data. But when you will publish your report to cloud, then you have to sign up with some official mail ID. Power BI not allows any personal mail ID like Gmail and Yahoo. So for this, you need some official mail ID. Let's move to the PPT. These are the main components of Power BI. Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile App, Power BI Gateway. Using Power BI Desktop, you can get data, you can transform data, you can create attractive reports using Power BI visualizations. But when you want to publish your report to cloud, then you have to purchase Power BI service license. For practice purpose, Microsoft provides 60 days pro trial version. So using this trial version, you can publish your report to cloud, you can create dashboards, and you can share your report to other users. But after 60 days, you have to purchase pro and premium license accordingly. Pro means when you want to purchase license for yourself, then pro license is sufficient for your requirement. At organization level, you have to purchase premium license. There is no limitation of access. You can give access to many users. Using Power BI mobile app, you can see report anywhere in your mobile phone. For Android user, they can directly download Power BI mobile app from Play Store. For iOS user, they can directly download mobile app from App Store. Power BI Gateway. You can say this is a bridge and provide connection between Power BI database to Power BI cloud report. Now let's move to the new slide. These are the main building blocks of Power BI. Visualizations, dashboards, report, datasets and tiles. Visualizations means Power BI supports more than 24 visuals in terms of pie chart, cluster column chart, bar chart, stack chart, matrix, table and many more. So using these visuals, you can create attractive reports. Dashboard means when you publish your report to cloud and using existing reports visuals, you can create dashboards. So dashboard is a part of Power BI service. At desktop level, you can create reports, and under one reports, you have multiple pages. And each pages you can use multiple visuals. Datasets. Dataset is nothing. It is table. When you import any data into Power BI, then Power BI load all data under one table, and that is called dataset. Tiles. Tiles is a single visuals, and it is a part of Power BI service. Using tiles, you can import any video in Power BI report page, and you can import any image in single visuals, and also you can import any website embedded code in single visuals. We will see all things in upcoming sessions videos. So guys, hope you clear what is Power BI, how we can download and install Power BI. what are the main building blocks and components of Power BI. So that's all about for this session. Thank you guys.